Would you like to make money from home, even if you've got crazy hours, even if you have loud kids, using the things that you already have around the house? If you're saying, heck yes, this episode is for you. The first peek inside the Money Magnifier Toolkit, and it's a pretty interesting option, I think. This is the Your Money, Your Life podcast where ambitious women come together to have clarity, prosperity, and confidence with their money without sacrificing precious time and well-deserved fun. So let's do this. This episode is a direct clip from the Money Magnifier Toolkit. Time and time again, I've heard you say, if I could just increase my income, then I would be set. So I brought together a group of experts in a variety of fields requiring different levels of expertise, time, environment, tools, etc., so that you can actually make more money. Whether you're scaling an existing stream of income or starting a new one that you've wondered if it'll actually work for you and your situation. These experts are pulling back the curtain and telling all inside the Money Magnifier Toolkit, and you get to hear an exclusive clip from one of these interviews today. So let's dive in. Hey, let's kick off our Money Magnifier Toolkit with talking about a service that I haven't tried, but this will work if you've got kids at home and can't necessarily have a quiet environment. So this is called Try Hamper. So of course, I'll include links below for you to check it out. Let's see some things about it. Just a quick thing. I have not tried it myself. It was something that I heard about a referral. You are washing laundry. Okay. So requirements that you have to have is a vehicle, a smartphone, and they have specific specifications for your washer size. It's not something that I'm personally going to do. So I did not measure my washer to see, but I would think that a normal regular size washer would do the trick. Some things to be aware of. You are using your washer and dryer, so we have to factor in wear and tear on the machine. You're using your water and your electricity. So personally, if this was something that I was going to do, I would do it only on the weekends since my electricity is currently free on the weekends. So it would be one less thing to worry about. But I do our laundry on the weekends. So that would affect things too. How would this work? For me, it's not really a fit, but it could work well for you. So the way that it works, according to the website, there is a 24-hour drop-off and return window. So you get the assignment. I'm believing that they have an app of some sort that you have. You'll go pick up the laundry. It's in a hamper of some sort. Then you pick it up, take it back to your house, wash it. For detergent, they have one that they want you to use. It sounds like you do buy it. So there's some costs involved in that as well. But then you have the 24 hours to get it washed, dried, and I believe folded too, if I remember correctly from checking it out on the website. And then within that 24 hours, get it returned back to the doorstep in the same hamper that it came in. So like I said, this is going to be really useful for you if you've got kids at home, because you don't have to worry about being quiet while you're doing the laundry, or if you've got odd hours that won't necessarily work. And also, it might be something that you want to utilize yourself as a customer later on. If you don't want to be doing your own laundry, this would be a way to make things work. I know it might be something that you could hire out at some point too, but if it's a service, you've got that taken care of. Also, that's really what I've got on here. Tryhamper.com, TRYHAMPR. I really loved that this does not require you to have to do it during a certain hours, or if you've got kids at home, all of those things that you can work around it and make money doing this. So like I mentioned, I haven't personally tried it, but it could be a great fit for you. And that is why I wanted to include it here within this series. So there you go. Your information. I'll make sure all the links are included below so you can check it out and try it for yourself. That's a wrap for our first Money Magnifier Toolkit teaser clip talking about this new service, ways that you can magnify making your money too, because we can save, we can take care of our mindset, but we can really magnify our impact when we start to make more income. I love, like I said, I love that this works even if you've got kids at home that are loud, crazy hours, any of those things, you could still utilize the service. That's why I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you today for our first kickoff for the series that we're sharing here on the Your Money, Your Life podcast. So your challenge really today, maybe go check it out. Again, the link's going to be in the show notes below. See if it's a fit for you. And if it is, I'd love to hear about your experience, if this works great for you or not. And we'll see you next week for another episode of the Your Money, Your Life podcast. Bye for now.